yeah, today it's all about the app that helps you to become more fluent in English. Nowadays, normally with our education system, absolutely we are well trained to listen, speak, read, and write very good English. And apart from that, we might be brilliant in our English grammar as well. But when it comes to conversing with others in English, the fear in us is a big question. The fear is because of the inefficiency of fluency in the language. So, the only way to develop fluency in any foreign language other than our mother tongue is through huge amount of listening and speaking. Here are some solutions for the problem. The first solution will be listen to your own voice. Be confident and speak as loud as possible whenever you are alone. And listen to your own voice. That helps you to develop better and more confident in your pronunciation and vocabulary too. The powerful tool in your hand is the smartphone. Use it and start practicing in speaking English at any time and anywhere. And here is the app English Conversation Practice. Go to the Play Store. Search for English Conversation Practice app. After installing it, you can open it. Once you open the app, you'll be finding these many options. And each option will possess around 7 categories, 5 categories, 8, 7, and likewise it varies with each options. And among that you can choose your interested topic. And here I'm choosing the first option, trips and vacations. Here we could see around 20 conversations. And among that I'm choosing the first one, a trip to the lake conversation. Here, once we open this, we could see at the top 4 options are there. Firstly, it is listening. Second, quiz. Third, practice. Fourth, recording. So here, firstly, listening. So here is the conversation, and at the bottom, you could find the play button. If you click that, you can listen to the conversation.
Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon? Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it? How about the lake? That's a great idea. What should we pack for lunch? I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad. Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad. Tell your sisters.
Yeah, it goes on like that, and then you can click on the quiz. So you can listen to the conversation entirely, and you can click on the quiz, and here you can test yourself. Where does Kathy went to a picnic? By the lake. We can check our answer. Yeah, it's correct. And for the next question, you can click on next. So here I'm going to give the wrong answer. If it is a wrong means it will show you as incorrect, and it will project you the right answer as well. So it will go on like that. You can check it out here. Then practicing. Yeah, here comes, when it comes to practicing, you can choose your practice partner. So here Kathy is there and mom is there. So I'm choosing Kathy as my practice partner, then I'll be mom now. So if you click on the play button at the bottom, you can practice along with Kathy, and you can consider yourself as mom.
Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
So the practice will go on like that, and next, once we complete with the practicing, and we can record our conversation with the partner too. That's the next option. And here, when it comes to recording, also we can choose our partner. Now I want to be Kathy and I want mom to be my partner. So let us start recording our conversation with mom. Yes, since I cannot make 2 microphones activate at the same time, you might have not listened to the conversation, but here the recording will be there and you can listen to it, how I conversed with mom. Even you can replay your conversation with the partner.
Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon? Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make ham.
Hope you all understood the demo and enjoyed watching the video. Make use of the app and improve your fluency. Thank you for watching.